Hello, eh, hello, welcome to my diabetes workshop. I will be showing you some slides and I want you to ask yourself, what do this image have to do with diabetes? If you say these instruments are used to monitor sugar, and you were right. As early as 15 BC and in 600 BC, physicians record that ants were attracted to sugar in patient urine. This was an indicator that patient may be having diabetes. During the Middle Age, doctors used horoscope as a practice where they study urine and diagnose medical condition. They consult intricately designed urine flavor chart that describe the sight, smell, and taste of urine. Diabetes of Diagnosis of diabetes was accurate because patient urine were sweet. In 1922, the oral glucose tolerance test was the first introduced. These were a patient drink a sugar solution, then after 2 to 3 hours the blood is drawn to test for sugar tolerance. In the early 1920s was when the first insulin was used. Arnold and the Son in London. In 1950, the urine test strip was introduced. In the 1980s, the first blood glucose monitor became available for home use, providing an accurate way to monitor blood sugar. Why all this information? Diabetes is is on the rise. 3.7 million deaths due to diabetes. 1.5 million deaths caused by diabetes. 422 million adults have diabetes. That means 1 in every 11 person has diabetes. Diabetes leads to complications in the body, stroke, blindness, heart attack, kidney failure, and amputation of limbs. I hope you found this information useful. Thank you.